Is your Ninja Luxe Premier not starting when you press the brew button? No lights? No sound? Nothing happening? This is usually caused by misaligned components, power interruptions, or software glitches. Let's get that brew button working again, step by step. Step 1. Check for proper assembly. The machine won't start unless everything's in place. Make sure the portafilter is locked in fully, the water tank is seated correctly, and the drip tray is aligned. Step 2. Unplug and reset the machine. Turn the machine off and unplug it for 60 seconds. This clears temporary glitches in the control board. Plug it back in and try the brew button again. Step 3. Check the outlet and power source. Make sure the outlet is working by testing with another appliance. Avoid extension cords or surge protectors. They can sometimes block enough power for brewing. Step 4. Inspect the control panel for debris. Wipe down the panel and brew button area with a soft, dry cloth. Sometimes oils or moisture from brewing can interfere with button response. Step 5. Try another brew mode. Switch to a different drink or size mode temporarily. If one button is unresponsive but others work, it may be a control board or membrane fault. Still not working? There may be a hardware issue with the button or internal circuitry. Support and the full user guide are linked in the description if you need to take the next step. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching and enjoy your coffee.